Didn't expect this. And this is what I was talking about. And this is the end. Hello everyone, long time no see. Today I'm taking you to a beautiful cave. It's going to be very interesting to see how it is on Ishigaki Island. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna get dark. Oh, I can see a little dragon here. Right, it is a little bit dark here. Look at that. Is that the stalactite or the stalagmite? Which one? So this is interesting. I didn't expect this. So basically they are keeping some local alcohol. Awamori, sorry. So Awamori, they keep it under the cave, inside the cave, sorry. Probably they expect it to turn with a good taste, or I'm not sure. But it's interesting, it's inside that cave. Let's keep going. Right, I've kept going down. Unfortunately, they are playing some music. So you cannot hear, but there are apparently many swallows living inside that cave, which makes sense because they probably get a lot of mosquitoes and insects to get. So we can hear, there is a music unfortunately, but somewhere around under here are a lot of little birds. It's probably baby swallows. I could see some flying, but they're very fast. So it's very hard to catch on video. Yeah, as I said, there is a music playing. So this is how the roof looks like here. It's a lot of stalactite or stalagmite. Which one? I forgot which one. It doesn't look like rocks, it looks more like mud piercing down. It's very impressive. It's water, actually it's all wet inside, and the water comes from the sailing. It's dripping. It looks like the mud is dripping basically. Oh, I could see a little bird passing by. I think they are swallows. By the way they fly. I don't think they are small bats. But yeah, I try to catch them on the way back. There are apparently a lot of droppings here, so yeah, it could be swallows. Let's keep going down. I can feel the air piercing through the cave, because that cave gets out to, actually we are going to get to the seaside, which is very interesting. So let's keep walking. There are 3 sites like this on Ishigaki Island, and this one is the most impressive to visit. I've been to the others and they were not interesting. So if you are looking for visiting cave, this is the one to visit. The music is nice, but it doesn't belong to here. It should be quiet so you could hear the silence. Wow, it's very impressive. Oh, greens here. That's a pretty long tunnel, and it keeps going down. So it's a natural formation. It's not been dug by humans. Very interesting. There are some stairs here. Let's go have a look. There are some stairs with no gate. It means it's no problem to go visit, I guess. Well, it was 33 degrees outside. It's pretty fresh here. Wow. It looks like salt. We are not that deep inside the earth, because I believe I'm gonna get to that exit. There is an exit which reaches to the beach. So it's not, we are underground, but we are not below the sea level. Right. Let's keep going. There are a few tourists around, but it's not crowded at all, as you can see. It's not so busy. Oh, here are the birds again. So let's try to see them. Are they swallows or are they little bats? And if they are the small bats, they are the rare, actually it's almost extinct. It's endangered. It's in danger to disappear. The way they fly, I think they are swallows. But the sound is, no, they are the small bats. It doesn't sound like swallows. They are the small bats, this is the first time I see them on Ishigaki Island. Outside we can see the big ones, the fox bats, the Yayama bats. They are huge, but those are small. Yeah, they are small. And this is what I was talking about. There is an exit where you get to the sea. Very interesting. That cave leads to this side. Actually, there are two exits. And there is a trail here. So I'm gonna visit that. Actually, this is the first time I visit this place for 5 years. It's gonna be 5 years on Ishigaki. This is the first visit for me. So it's good. I decided to come have a look at this one because, as I said, it's the best cave of the three. It looks like a little ravine. Today I can show you a lot of those. I don't know why today they are not running away. They are beautiful with a blue tail. It's the first time I go so near without them escaping. I don't know why today they don't escape. I want to show you how they are beautiful. Blue color of the tail. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hello. If you could, okay, that's Good boy. Have a good day. Why they don't escape today? Very rare. So here when the sea is high, today is at this time is low tide. So this is where you get the water up to the stairs. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. But today I didn't come for the swim. I came just to show you how it is. But usually the water is up here. It's very nice. Feels like a tropical island. And the sea is beautiful, of course. You can see. That's pretty much it on this side. Very nice. With the green on top of our heads. I think most of people come for the cave to see this place actually. It's most interesting place. I mean, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. I should take a picture maybe. Wow, look at that. Basically you got some beautiful views of Ishigaki by walking from that cave exit. But the only way to get back is through the cave, I think. It looks fantastic, isn't it? And of course the water is beautiful. Of course, I know you were wondering. It's beautiful. But I'm wearing shoes today because actually I just came nearby for lunch. I came for ramen, and I thought to myself, hey, long time I didn't make an interesting video. Why not use that opportunity of the blue sky? And by the way, today is September 20th of the year 2025, and it's exactly 5 years since the first time I came to Ishigaki Island. As I said a bit earlier, it's 33 degrees daytime, 29 degrees Celsius nighttime. Let me show you. This side has no concrete. We are basically on the north part of Ishigaki, and this part is wilder, more natural than the south part, where most of tourists tend to stay. So, as I said, it's beautiful out there with the sea breeze. It's very nice. And this is the end of that little leisure walk, and this is how it looks like. It's superb, magnificent. It's like, I haven't been there, but it looks like the image of the ideal paradise place or something like that. Like, look at those colors. Today is perfect day to come shooting this video here. It's got it's perfect Ishigaki postcard style, right? There are a few people, but it's like, as I said, where the car park was maybe 5 cars, and it sounds like everybody's rushing to shoot a photo here because it's so beautiful. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go to the beach to have a swim because the weather is so good. Wow. Oh yeah, you can see. You can keep going this direction too as well. It's very, very nice. That was worth the visit for sure. I had a negative image of the caves of Ishigaki, but thanks to this one today, I can tell you there is a beautiful place to visit. Ideally, come on a beautiful blue sky day, because on a rainy day it's not going to be as picturesque as today. And back to the darkness. Can you see that fish? Wow. Actually, wow, there are two of them, and they have little fish on their back. There are some bees here. Oh, butterfly. That's it for today. So, in conclusion, was it worth to go? Yes, it is worth to go if it's a beautiful blue sky. And make sure you go when the tide is at lowest point. You can download either an application to check the tide of where you are at the time, or you check in the local newspaper. It is in Japanese, but usually there is a drawing where you can figure out if the tide is higher or low. Because if the tide is low, you can walk as I did today. If it's high, well, basically you cannot get down to the shore on the sand. You cannot get there. I should put the mic here. And so the entrance is 1,200 yen per adult. That's well, you do the conversion. It's about maybe $8 US dollars right now in 2025, but it's not relevant if you watch this in the year 2055 or something like that. And I'm checking the mic because there is the red light. And the cave itself, well, it's just a passage, basically, because most of tourists now, the car park is full as I go out, and to walk through is interesting, but everybody go for the beach to see the beach. So here is the catch, right? Is it worth to pay 1,200 to have a beautiful site? Considering you can go for free on another beautiful place similar to this one. If you watch my other videos, you can see some beautiful beach where you can go for free, of course. Everything is free on Ishigaki Island, except the entrance of the cave. Right. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye bye.